Hi and welcome back to another project management tips video. If these videos are useful, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about project team roles and responsibilities. When the project starts, first step is to define project roles and responsibilities. Who will do what? Who is going to execute the project plan and turn it into the unique outcome? You will hear so many roles in different organizations. In this video, we will review the most famous project roles. Please remember, based on the project size, type, or any other conditions, some of these roles may not be defined in your project. Project team member. Project team members are the individuals who actively work on one or more phases of the project. They may be in-house staff or external consultants working on the project on a full-time or part-time basis. The project team members have skills relevant to the project. They are responsible for executing their tasks and for updating their statuses to the project manager in order to track the overall progress of the project. Team member roles can vary according to each project. Project manager. We review project manager roles and responsibilities in our previous video. Who are project managers? The project manager has full responsibility and accountability for the project. The project manager, fully accountable for the outcome of the project, is the glue that holds the project together. The project manager leads the project with passion, as if it was his or her own business. She will develop a project plan, manage deliverables according to the plan, recruit project staff, lead and manage the project team, determine the methodology used in the project, establish a project schedule and determine each phase, assign tasks to project team members, and provide regular updates to upper management. The project manager is the point person for vendors and independent contractors, creating contracts for them and managing their services. You can think of the project manager as a bridge that connects the executives or client to the project team working on the project deliverables. Team leader. Large projects may include a team leader who reports directly to the project manager. In small projects, the project manager wears both hats. The team leader cannot act like the boss and still obtain the benefits of team-based work. Instead, he must adopt the following important roles. Initiator. Rather than tell people what to do, the leader draws attention to actions that must be taken for team goals to be met. Model. He uses his own behavior to shape other performance by starting meeting on time, for example, and following through on between meeting assignments. Leaders often rely heavily on these tactics since they typically cannot use promotions, compensations, or treats for dismissal to influence team members. Negotiator. He gets what he needs from resource providers by framing the project as mutually beneficial. Listener. He gathers from the environment signal of impending trouble, employee discontents, and opportunities for gain. Coach. He finds ways to help team members maximize their potential and achieve agreed upon goals. Coaching opportunities are abundant within teams because the skill members eventually need are often ones they don't already have. Working member. In addition to providing direction, the leader must do a share of the work, particularly in areas where he has special competence. Ideally, he should also take one or two of the unpleasant or unexciting jobs that no one else wants to do. Project sponsor. Even if I talked about hours about project sponsor, I couldn't tell you how important his or her role is in the project. Unfortunately, these roles may miss in some projects that may cause many challenges in projects, and project manager may well feel exhausted during the project path. The project sponsor is a driver and in-house champion of the project. They are typically members of senior management, those with a stake in the project's outcome. Project sponsors work closely with the project manager. They legitimize the project's objectives and participate in high-level project planning. In addition, they often help resolve conflicts and remove obstacles that occur throughout the project, and they sign off on approvals needed to advance each phase. Project sponsor duties: make key business decisions for the project, approve the project budget, ensure availability of resources, communicate the project scope throughout the organization. Project coordinator: often there is a go-between that helps facilitate the project manager's job in terms of project operations. They will work with the project team and are especially helpful when there are remote teams working in different time zones on the same project. The project coordinator helps to keep the operations running smoothly for the project manager and the project team. Project Management Office or PMO. Their job is to look at the project management structure within your organization. This tends to occur only in larger organizations, which may not always apply. By dedicating time to the project management process, there will be a better synergy across all company projects. Their tasks include sharing project resources, tools, techniques, and successful case studies to strengthen all future projects. However, if it does exist, the PMO will decide on the processes used in a project and how to follow them. The PMO also will archive the project for historical data, collecting and analyzing its results. Project managers are supported by the PMO. The Project Steering Committee. Some projects have a steering committee which consists of the sponsor and all key stakeholders. The committee's role is to approve the project charter, secure resources, and adjudicate all requests to change key project elements such as deliverables, the schedule, and the budget. Okay, hope this video was useful. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss our next video, please also hit the bell icon.